Right. I'm jumping around a little bit. We're hearing a lot about M&A in healthcare. What trends are you seeing here? Um, Look, we really, really believe that M&A is a key feature of healthcare and life science investing. It's what our fund likes to call an inorganic source of return in these funds. Um, as you know, the funds are spread across established companies that are less likely to be taken out, but also emerging biopharma companies where there really is kind of this desire to be taken out. And it happens because a lot of innovation really happens within these companies. If you look at new molecular entities that have been approved by the FDA over the last kind of 5 years, 56% of them have come from companies that would be termed as emerging biopharma companies. And large companies see that source of innovation and see that a way to get into it is purchasing these companies. So particularly in our oncology fund, we've benefited immensely since inception for the M&A deals that are happening, and the areas that we've identified as key technology areas are really getting taken out. And pharma companies are desperate. They need to replace revenue streams, and they're replacing these revenue streams that they've lost to patent expiries. And they've got the firepower to do it. I mean, we estimated recently that got about $840 billion that they could deploy to buy some of these companies. And what I mean by inorganic source of return is first you get the boost from the premiums. On average, the premiums, for example, in oncology can be between 90 and 100%. And that boosts the return of the fund if you get that particular stock in your portfolio. But then what you also see is investors get that money returned in the broader market. If you look at the M&A that's happened in the last, so I would say 9 months, there's about 90 billion that's coming back to investors that are then going to redeploy it into biotech stocks. And that really helps that sector as well. And so we think that this inorganic source of return is going to continue. And right now we've seen an inflection. There was a big burst of deals towards the end of 2023 after a couple of years of down years in M&A, and Q1 has started equally well. And so we think that this is going to continue and these green shoots are going to build.